cap, I just wanted to make a video. I did want to make this little cinematic and stuff like that, but honestly, I just want to make this short and sweet. I feel like my last video was really good, but in the same sense, it was very prolonged, right? So I'm just thinking about it like, viewers are not about to sit here and want to hear me talk about what I don't like about a product or what I like a product for over 10 minutes and then like go right along to the next category, right? So we're gonna keep this short and sweet. And this next review is going to be on the Saramonic microphones. So usually there's some food to make, and there is, but I'm very lazy in the morning. And then that also resorts into starving myself. And usually, I would have a honey bun, other way, but I'm a grown ass man now. I need to start feeding myself and start taking care of myself, right? It's 2024. One day you have to grow up, or 1 year, and this is my year. So take a ride to me to Waffle House, and we'll talk more about the mics. Let's go. So I just remembered that I did not take my equipment out of the car. And one thing you don't want to do in Atlanta is leave your camera equipment in the car because there are break-ins. I don't usually do that, so don't think you're about to hit a lick on me. But let's hurry up because I'm about to really like starve. You know, my stomach is touching my back. Let's get it. By the way, today is Manny Supreme's birthday. Happy birthday, Manny. For everybody that wants to go out and turn up and drink, make sure you eat a chicken nugget before you start drinking. I promise you, this is literally the worst part of being a filmmaker. Bringing things that you really didn't need, and then leaving it in the car because you're too lazy to bring it in the house at night. And then you gotta come out here and do it the next day. But a lesson of the day to my filmmakers, take your stuff in the house because you don't wanna be that guy where your car gets busted in and, you know, then you're on Instagram making a GoFundMe. Please help me get some more equipment, please help. Like, bro, don't, like. Sorry for prolonging this video, y'all. I know I said I was gonna try to make it a little shorter, but now it's our time to shine. It's time to get our bag, right? Our bag, and get an extra battery just in case this one dies because, you know, I have the FX30 and I won't say that the battery life is terrible, but it's not the best. I would say Canon is a little better. But the reason why I didn't use Canon for this video today is because I feel like there's a problem using these mics with the Canon. There's a problem with the R5, period. I'm not even gonna lie. Not just Canon, just the R5 specifically. But I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe I need to update the firmware. I don't know what the fuck I need to do, but let's just use. And hopefully these mics don't die. We're only getting something to eat, right? Hopefully. So I think one of the worst things about having the FX30 is the crop. And I think I advertised that enough in the last video. But I just had to say it every time because it's just like, bro, like, why are you this close in my face? It's like somebody's in the passenger seat, like. So something very important about your camera, if you didn't know, is that your camera should have sunglasses. Not these sunglasses. When I say sunglasses, I mean ND filters, right? ND filters are very vital to your workflow when you're shooting. For example, for days like this, when it's very sunny, you know, it's just like your eyes, you know, you're driving on the road and things are too bright. You can't see, so you have to take this thing down. I don't even know if you guys can see that because the FX30 is so cropped in. But anyway, I don't have the other adapter on because, you know, I wanted the autofocus, but I should have put the other adapter on because I'm not using the autofocus. We're currently on the way to Waffle House. I think that the audio is doing pretty great. You know, and I'm not gonna lie, I low-key think that the reason why the audio wasn't so good, in my opinion, any other time is because it was on the R5. You know what, maybe I should like roll the window up because y'all probably can't hear me as good. The R5, I don't know The R5 it would just cut out, and I wish I still had this video of this mayor, the Atlanta, not Atlanta mayor, but his name is Ray Mills. I did like a little candidate video for him or something like that. And dang, why he rolling up on me like that? I thought that was the boys. Loki scared me. I don't have Atlanta tags and I don't have legal tags either. I still have Ohio tags and they're actually expired, so I'm riding dirty around this bitch. So I did a video for him and the audio from the video was actually cutting out a lot. And that was very crucial because we had to go and get mics from my job and re-record everything. And it was just a sad day, kind of, because the first takes that we did were so good. But hey, maybe it just wasn't meant to be. Fuck. Man, this bitch is so close, bro. This shit don't make no sense, bro. Straight up. We at Waffle House, though. About to get us a little table. Oh, God. I bought these mics for probably like $260, something like that. They came with one receiver and two transmitters. I think that's the right terms. I don't know, it was one RX and one TX. I mean, two TX, one RX, two TX. And then it came with a cord to plug up to your camera. Thank you. To plug up to your camera, and then, you know, some little lavalier mics for each transmitter. And one thing that really caught my eye over getting the Rode microphones, because that's what I was originally gonna get, the Rode microphone Go wireless. They came in a case, a rechargeable case at that. And that was really a game changer, because I think these mics last like up to 6 hours or something like that. And if they last up to 6 hours and then your case has like a 8-hour charge or a 6-hour charge, you know, you don't got to plug them in into the wall or nothing like that. You can just walk around, put them back in the case and just, you know, have them charge up real quick and then pop them right back out of the case and put them right back on your subject or whoever you're getting or yourself or whatever. So very, very great. But one thing I do have to say as a con, they're very difficult to use, I think. Maybe I'm just an idiot or maybe I'm just slow, I don't know. I'm pretty sure Saramonic will watch this like, you know, this dude's just an idiot, but hey, I brought your product. But Rode is very easy to navigate. There's not really too many buttons to press on the Rode. There's only one button. There's 3 buttons on this. There's a plus, there's a minus, and then there's a mute button on these Saramonics. The mute button acts as, obviously, a mute button, and also to power on and off the mics. And the plus and minus is just to navigate through the menus and stuff like that to change settings like audio gain input and like restore settings and backlight mode. I still don't know what that means. That's why I said these reviews are not about learning. I mean, they are, but if you want to go learn, go to Peter McKinnon or go to like Maddie Hapta or whatever, however you say his name and stuff like that. Like they are going to teach you the real, okay? Yo. So I'm on Amazon right now. You probably can't see it, I don't know. And the main reason why I wanted to make this, mic video is because it would drop out. Features up to 8-hour battery runtime, 328 feet, 100 M, 100. I'm assuming 100 meter range. I know I'm an idiot a little bit. And automatic channel switching to avoid static and dropouts. So basically, what I was experiencing was dropouts. These mics came out December 2nd, 2020. So they're fairly new. Obviously, with this FX30, it's serving me, you know, very good results. Appreciate it, bro. So usually with my Waffle House order, I usually get jalapenos on my eggs and tomatoes on my hash browns. Hey, y'all should try it. Don't knock it until you try it. And chili on the hash browns too. But I didn't get it because I was just so distracted on giving y'all this video. So please give me some likes because, you know, I'm just trying to be consistent. I'm trying to give y'all some gems, you know, talk some game to y'all. You know, especially to the people, I wanted to always do this because people always inbox me like, hey bro, what's a good camera? What's a good camera? What's some good equipment to start off with YouTubing and blogging and, you know, shooting videos and da-da-da-da-da. So this is it. If you don't watch my videos, then I don't know what to say. Like you're not gonna learn nothing. I'm not about to sit here and inbox everybody like what's good and what's not good. You know what I'm saying? So watch the videos, support, and you're gonna learn a lot. I'm not about to get into, yeah, and the range for these mics are like 365.5 feet. Like, I'm not doing all that, bro. It's just too many numbers. I'm not good at math, all right? Like, leave that to the pros. I mean, I am a pro. I'm just a different type of pro. I'm in a different league. I'm on a different level. I forgot to pray. I ain't gonna lie, it was a little disrespectful. I was still chewing while I was praying. Food was so good, I couldn't stop. All right, I'm about to eat real quick. Let me show y'all what I got real quick. If you don't live in the southern states, actually, you know what? Cleveland actually has a Waffle House, but I wanted a blueberry waffle, but he didn't give me the blueberry waffle. It's cool, whatever. I got eggs. Like I said, I usually get the jalapenos on them. I got the sausage, and then I get the hash browns with the, the toasters come with it anyway. But if you can, put the tomatoes on there. Oh shit, man. And when you get the eggs, get the jalapeno on them and cheese. Banger, 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 banger. Get your breakfast, the most important meal of the day, my boy. So now we're in Walmart. About to get the little skincare products, hair products. I think I needed something to wet my hair. I needed the Miel leave-in conditioner. And then I need some of this CeraVe. Like this right here, bro. This is not the exact one I had. It was like a teal color, but I might just have to get this. Or no, this is lotion. So I'm not gonna get that. I'll skip that right now and just go to get the hairspray that I need, which is basically water in a bottle, to be real. So I really don't need that. I'm just gonna put more water in the bottle. I ain't gonna cap though. This shit feel weird, like vlogging, like, and I promise, like, I'm not holding my arm up because I'm embarrassed. It's really because this camera is heavy and I just worked out and my arms are sore, so they feel like linguine. Hold on, man, let me focus, bro. I'm sitting here trying to vlog, and this really is supposed to be a mic review, but I don't know. Oh, here it goes. Boom. That's what we be using, you feel me? Get your hair right. I'm really gonna start the video in a second. Let me just focus real quick. All right, give it up for take 2 because I recorded the first take and my camera wasn't recording. I'm an idiot, but hey, it's only the second video. So anyway, let's just dive into this. So this is the case that the Saramonic mics come in. You see, rechargeable case. It's nice and solid, nice quality. One thing I can say about this case is I don't think it holds a charge. I don't know. That's probably a con, but maybe I'm just tripping. Maybe it just charges the mics really efficient and just uses all the juice, and maybe I just don't peep. I don't know, but it has like, if you see it, it has like 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the charge to show what the levels are and what percent it's at, I guess. Be like 25, 50, 75, 100. But it's always on 25%. Still a great case, to keep everything in so you don't have to, just throw it in your bag and everything just breaks and you gotta spend more money on more mics and stuff like that. So the reason why I bought the Saramonics is because at the time I was gonna get the Rode wireless Go's, but I didn't get them because I wanted 2 of them. And the day that I bought the Saramonics, I had a wedding and I just wanted the bride and the groom to have a mic each, but I just didn't have the budget to buy, the 2 transmitters for the Rode mics and then, the receiver. I think 2 transmitters and then the receiver for the Rode was like maybe the same that I bought this for, but I think the deal breaker was this one had a charging case, and I was like, man, this is just like, a bang for his buck because, Rode doesn't have a charging case. Maybe they do. Maybe I'm just tripping. I don't know. I don't have Rode wireless Go's, but I have them at work and they actually are very reliable. By the way, this is the variable ND that I was talking about. So when I say ND, you guys should get a variable ND. I would suggest, because variable ND, you don't have to keep switching off different NDs and stuff like that, and depending on like the sunlight, and you might be shooting on set and you might not have time to switch out filters and stuff, so a variable ND works perfect. This is a ProMaster HGX Prime. This is the 82mm version, and it's 1.3 to 8 stops. So yeah, but this is not about this. I just wanted to throw this in just to give y'all game. Other than that, I think these mics are made for vloggers, YouTubers. You can use them for like business casual, like headshot, talking, like interviews, whatever the hell you want to use them for. You know what I mean? But I would keep in mind what I said, like, they drop. I've never had the Rode microphones drop. But for the Saramonics, they definitely dropped. And I tried to call customer service, and I'm not gonna lie to you, and I swear to God, I'm not trying to sound racist, but it was like some Chinese lady, and I mean, I could understand her a little bit because I tried, but I really didn't understand what she said when I needed help on why my microphones were dropping. So I just chalked it up, and I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna do a review on them, and I'm just gonna get some Rodes. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, and just give me a shout out, and give me, comment some things that you guys might want me to review, or you might want to see. I'm in Atlanta, so there's always something to do and stuff like that, but I'm just trying to get comfortable with being consistent on the channel right now. So if you like the video, please like the video, like I said, and subscribe. All right, y'all stay blessed.